Hello everyone, so once again here is about the way to go through the rubber grommet and put this one back together in case it has the plastic base like this. So the mechanism is the rubber stay over the edge of the plastic round oval base, and then it has 4 clip mirroring on the side. Okay, 1 2 3, the other side 4, and it clip back the body, the tailgate, and this one clip back to the body. It looks simple, but actually it is not. Okay, so this is very important to don't underestimate this little thing, because if you don't carefully remove this piece, it will break any of the plastic top and it will lose the mechanism to lock back to the tailgate and to the body, and from there it will leak the water into the body or into the tailgate. So it's so important that don't underestimate this point, and we have to be very patient, very carefully use the small flat screwdriver to lift up each side of the tab gently, use all the way to slide the tab out. And even on the body here, you have to remove the liner, rope liner, and put your hand in and put the finger upward and support to press it from the bottom, and then use this flat screwdriver to unlock each tab gently, slowly and patiently. It costs normally about 15 minutes to put those 2-liter plastic clip back into the place, including remove it safely. So be careful, be patient, and be reward on this one. Otherwise, if you damage one of them, you should know that those one need to be replaced, the whole thing together, including the wiring, which is the absolute nightmare for any electrical work. So be careful if you come across the system with the plastic base on the rubber grommet. Be very patient with it. Remove it gently, carefully, and put it back nicely. Okay, so for example, this plastic already stay back together with its rubber, and simply press it down, it will make a click. That's it. Just like that. To go back in, very simple, but go out is a big story. Prepare 15-20 minutes for it. Thank you, and all the best. See you then.